Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today's video is a realistic clean with me. Stay tuned. No matter what I'm going to be cleaning, I always like to start by making up my bed. Sickness has been real at our house this year, and before I could even make my bed, I had to take the heating pad and put it away because I am obviously getting older and I needed a heating pad. So the struggle is real. I am so ready for spring in my house, but when I do make my bed, I don't struggle with trying to make it look perfect. I just want to get it made up and get everything put into place.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless 'cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, 'cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go. I've been so selfish and made you believe.
About once a week, I like to take a glass cleaner and clean off the tops of my bedroom furniture and my mirrors in my bedroom. Other days, I just use like a duster, or even sometimes when I'm folding laundry and I have like a dryer sheet in there, sometimes I will get some of the dust off with that. I have a love-hate relationship with this glass on my furniture, but black shows dust so easily that I kind of like having the protection from all the dust. And I also like the fact that I can bring like a glass of water to bed with me and I don't have to worry about spills.
I just don't know what to do if you go. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go.
As you can probably tell, everything was pretty dusty, especially after being sick. And goodness, I know I've said this before, but I cannot tell you how ready we are for spring. I know that you cannot catch the same thing twice, or at least they say you cannot, but it's like we're passing the same little cold thing back and forth, and it just will not leave our house. So I cannot wait to do some good deep spring cleaning. Also, I just want to say that no matter what you're doing in life, whether you are a stay-at-home mom, whether you are retired, whether you're a homemaker, whether you have a corporate job, no matter what you're doing, you matter and you are making a difference in the world. So do not ever become hard on yourself because maybe you are at a place that you did not think that you would be at this point in your life. And don't ever think that you do not have a purpose or a reason, because everyone does. And I know that sometimes when we do take care of our homes, we feel like maybe we don't have that purpose anymore, or that maybe people are looking at us and thinking that we have an easy life and we have no purpose. And I just want you to make sure that you know that you are loved and that you do have a purpose. And I'm going to open up the windows or not the windows, but the blinds. I'm going to open up the blinds and let in some fresh air. And then I'm just going to move into my bathroom, quickly do a swish and swipe of the sinks and clean my mirrors and just put things away. And that will be all for in there.
I was lost without any direction. Had a line so many times, but I needed attention. No matter what I say, no matter my regrets, things still been said and done. There's not a part of me that wants to say no. But I have realized I had to let go. Cause something's broken and I'm the reason. It's not that easy knowing you'll do better without me. Without me. Without me. I have tried, yeah, to become better. But I'd lie again if I said it'll last forever. I know I make mistakes, it's just the way I am. That's why
So I am making a few changes to my living room, and my office was filled with stuff that I plan on putting in there, and I hope that next week or the week after that I can go through that whole process with you and finally get that room put together. So until it's time to do that, I'm just putting this stuff in a basket to get it out of my way.
Knowing you'll do better without me. Without me. Without me. Out of all my mistakes, hurting you is the worst. I admit I was wrong. There's only one thing to do, the last thing I wanna do. I know I have to let you go. Cause yeah, there's not a part of me that wants to say no. But I have realized I had to let go. Cause something's broken and I'm the reason. It's not that easy knowing you'll do better without me. Without me. Without me.
I am 100% in love with my Method wood cleaner. I know I have said that before, but just look at how my desktop shines. This stuff, it smells so good. It's non-toxic and it just gets the job done better than any product I've ever tried. And I did have a lot of dust on my desk where I had my decorating projects sitting out, And I was kind of wondering, when I do my decorating video, if you guys would like for me to show you guys how you can create a similar look from items like the Dollar Tree, or if you just want me to do the decorating video. I just kind of want your input on how I can do that, because I am more than happy to do whatever you guys would like for me to do. And I have on a necklace because, and I just kind of noticed it as I was doing this voiceover, but I am at that point in the winter, and I don't know if you guys have ever gotten to this point where you are like as pale as you're going to get, and you have your foundation and you do not want to replace it. So like the top of your face is orange. So I thought it would look a little funny if I put a scarf on. So instead of a scarf, I just kind of put on a necklace to help break up that orangeness that I have going on. Yeah, kind of embarrassing, but again, realistic. I have no idea why when I'm filming, Lily is like all around and Molly's always sleeping or hiding. I think that's kind of funny to see that whenever I'm going back and doing my voiceovers. And again, I am not really doing a deep clean. I'm just getting things cleaned up. I also was wondering from you guys, if you work from home or stay from home, is your house dirtier or cleaner than it was when you worked outside of the home? I was just wondering because my home is a lot messier than it was when I worked outside of the home. I think that time management skills definitely play into that because you're away from home. So when you're at home, you're like, okay, I have to clean. But when you work from home or you're a homemaker, it's like it's always there. So I was just wondering if anyone else struggles with that as well.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
Having two dogs, both of these windows get dirty so quickly because one goes to one window and the other one goes to the other window. The struggle is definitely real keeping these windows clean.
I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
In case you cannot tell by the windows, it got a little dark on me. I would love to have like 3 hours of uninterrupted time to clean but that's not realistic for me. Sometimes that happens, but 99% of the time I get interrupted. So, very realistic. I don't know if you guys have uninterrupted cleaning time, and if you do, I'm extremely, extremely jealous, but I just like stop and then I have to start again. And because I'm getting over the sickness, I did have to rest after like kind of cleaning up each room. And I have a few dishes in the sink that I'm just going to pop in the dishwasher, and then I am going to clean my sink. Then I'm going to run into the living room, dust it, clean it a little bit, and do some vacuuming, and then I'm done. And I'm probably just going to put on some music because I am having trouble with my voice from being sick, and then I will just see you guys in the next one.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Oh, yeah. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you stayed until the end, please give me a thumbs up emoji, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.